Welcome. This is Abdullah Shajib from Silent Provision. In this video, I will going to show you how to install WordPress into your local PC. So first of all, we have to install Xampp and WordPress into our local PC. So that's why we have to open a new tab and type Xampp. Download. After that, download Xampp into your local PC. Click on it. You see there, your download will start shortly, and after that, you will see the Xampp is installing. And besides that, we have to install WordPress into our local PC. So type WordPress download. Click on WordPress download. So this is WordPress latest version. Click on download. It will automatically download a zip folder. So now what we have to do, click on Xampp. Click on next, click on next, click on next. Take some time for installing. And after installing Xampp, we have to unzip our WordPress file which we have downloaded and click on extract here. It may take some time for extracting, and after extracting the file, go to your extracted file and copy the whole file. After copying the file, go to your local disk and go to Xampp, where Xampp you have installed, and remember you have to go htdocs folder. So click on htdocs and paste your WordPress file which you have downloaded. And after paste the WordPress file in htdocs folder, go to Xampp and open the control panel. And after that, you have to start the Apache and MySql module. After starting those, click on MySql admin panel. And now you have to create a new database. Click on new and give a name your database. For now I give the database name simply WordPress. You have to remember the database name, so keep it simple. Then click create. You have successfully created your WordPress database. So after that, click on new tab and go to localhost /WordPress. And after that, you will see this window. Select your language and click on continue. Let's go. Your database name, which you have, username, just have to fill up your username, no need to password. Click on submit and go to installation. Run the installation. Okay, we have on the way, give your title like Silent Provision click on install WordPress. Okay, so we have to provide an email address. So select install WordPress. Click on login. Hooray! We have successfully installed WordPress into our local host, which is totally free, and you can visit the site and you see the WordPress dashboard. This is your WordPress website. So, and remember, we will learn all about WordPress step by step on Silent Provision YouTube channel. So stay connected, stay tuned. Thank you.